Hey guys, Steven at Rock Solid. We've got an LT1 Camaro in here, and I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you how the headlight brackets work out with our front end kit with one of these cars. We've just got this all mocked up. Everything's not really tight. It's just hanging on there. Okay, just do a quick sweep there. Now when you order the kit and you select LT1 as your application, it's not going to let you select the full front end kit. And many people are like, well, I do need the full front end kit, but you are getting the full front end kit for one of these cars. Because this headlight assembly here goes all the way across and it incorporates the bumper. So the 98 to 02 cars, you're going to need this center bumper support plate that's got the little RSM in the middle to attach the center bumper piece to, or where these 5 holes are. But with this one, it's already got it made in. So if you're reusing this, you don't need that plate, and it saves you like $45, I believe, or $40. So you can see this is the 98 to 02 Camaro headlight brackets. And all you have to do is get some little spacers here. We probably should start selling these spacers with this. But we just cut some aluminum tubing. You can see it just butts up flush to the back of the bracket, and it bolts right on. The Firebird version, or the Trans Am, for the LT1, you have to improvise a little bit. It doesn't go on quite as smoothly as this. My wife's car in particular, I had to do some trimming of the bracket here, and I drilled some random bolt holes in the back of this to get in through the headlight assembly, because it's just a headache. The pop-up headlights are on just about anything you deal with. But this is just showing how it works out for the LT car. The rest of the front end kit goes on exactly the same. Let me shut the hood here. We've not got anything as far as hood pins or anything set up yet, but so as far as the Camaro goes, it works out great. And we will consider offering these aluminum pieces in here. We just haven't had many of these cars in here to do the front end kit on that actually kept the headlight bezel. Most of them we're doing away with everything and just, getting the bare essentials. But this one we actually kept it on, so we can kind of see better what it actually takes. So I hope this is helpful for somebody with the LT car. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'll try to reply and answer however I can. Or you can call us or email us or message us on social media. We'll help you any way we can. Thanks for the business.